Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable autoplay for pen drives and memory cards in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for the word autoplay in the Windows search bar and go to autoplay settings. Okay, now if you wish to completely disable it, you can simply turn this switch off and now it will not autoplay any media devices. I prefer it because at times what happens is that a lot of pen drives are programmed to hack your computer. So you can open them as a folder and maybe click on something and use it. But if autoplay is enabled, that application will play by itself. Now, even if it is enabled, you can choose autoplay settings. Okay, so the first one is take no action for a removable disk. It will still work for a memory card. And the other one is that it can configure storage settings only. This is also a very safe option. It can open folder to view and then you can select it to ask me every time. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want in this case. And it doesn't only show removable drive and memory card. The options are same for memory card, almost similar. Now the difference is that in the case of a memory card, you may have an option to play a media if media already exists inside it. But if there is any other device attached to it, for example my phone, it will also show options for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.